Top 10 Easy Weeknight Dinners. 1. Spaghetti aglio e olio. Simple pasta with garlic, olive oil, red pepper flakes, and parmesan. 2. Chicken stir-fry. Chicken with mixed veggies and a quick soy sauce glaze, served over rice. 3. Taco salad. Seasoned ground beef or turkey, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, and your favorite toppings in a tortilla bowl. 4. Sheet pan chicken and veggies. Toss chicken breasts and your favorite veggies with olive oil and seasoning, then bake on a sheet pan. 5. Grilled cheese and tomato soup. Classic comfort food, grilled cheese sandwich with a bowl of tomato soup. 6. Shrimp tacos. Shrimp with spices, then serve in tortillas with slaw and lime. 7. Beef and broccoli. Stir-fried beef and broccoli with a simple soy sauce and ginger glaze, served over rice. 8. Baked ziti. Pasta baked with marinara sauce, ricotta, mozzarella, and parmesan. 9. Quesadillas. Tortillas filled with cheese and your choice of protein, then grilled until crispy. 10. Caprese salad with grilled chicken. Slices of tomato, mozzarella, and basil drizzled with balsamic, paired with grilled chicken.